heart with happiness to welcome you once again. This is already our third day together. Yesterday we learned that confidence begins with one simple word, hello. I hope you completed your mission. Did you greet 3 people? Did you see a smile? If yes, wonderful. If not, today is another chance. Because remember, success doesn't belong to people who never fail. Success belongs to people who never stop trying. Now, shall we begin today's lesson? Wonderful. Today I want to ask you a question, and I don't want you to answer me. I want you to answer yourself. Tell me, when was the last time you looked into a mirror and smiled at yourself? Most people smile for others. Very few people smile for themselves. Today, we are going to change that. Many years ago in Bengaluru, there was a young college student named Rahul. Rahul was intelligent, hardworking, kind. But whenever someone asked him, please introduce yourself, he became nervous. His hands trembled. His voice became weak, not because he didn't know English, but because he didn't believe in himself. One day, his professor called him after class. The professor handed Rahul a small mirror. Rahul looked confused. The professor smiled and said, for the next 30 days, every morning, stand before this mirror. Look into your own eyes, smile, and introduce yourself confidently. Rahul laughed. He thought, how can a mirror change my life? But he respected his teacher, so he did it. Every morning, for 30 days, he looked into the mirror. He smiled and he said, hello, my name is Rahul. I believe in myself. The first few days, he felt awkward. The next few days, he felt comfortable. By the end of the month, he felt confident. Months later, Rahul attended his first job interview. When the interviewer asked, please introduce yourself, Rahul smiled naturally and spoke with confidence. After the interview, the interviewer said, your confidence impressed us. Rahul got the job. Not because the mirror gave him confidence, but because the mirror reminded him to believe in himself. My dear future leaders, the first person who must believe in you is not your teacher, not your parents, not your friends. It is you. Because if you don't believe in yourself, the world will find it difficult to believe in you. Always remember, confidence begins inside. Only then does it appear outside. Today we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves confidently. Please repeat after me. Hello. My name is Sunil Kumar. Again. My name is Sunil Kumar. Excellent. Now, replace my name with your own name. Ready? My name is. Very good. Now let's learn one more sentence. I'm happy to meet you. Repeat after me. Wonderful. Now, imagine I'm meeting you for the very first time. I'll begin. Ready? Hello. Now your answer. My name is. Excellent. Now continue. I'm happy to meet you. Wonderful. You are improving. One day at a time. Now, place your right hand on your heart. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes for a moment. Now repeat after me. Today's promise. I believe in myself. I respect myself. I am capable. I am learning every day. I speak with confidence and never fear mistakes. I become stronger every single day. Excellent. I'm proud of you. Never stop believing in yourself. Today's mission is very simple. Stand before a mirror, smile, look into your own eyes and introduce yourself confidently. Say, hello, my name is, I'm happy to meet you. Repeat this 5 times. Tomorrow tell one new person your name confidently. Remember, great speakers are not born, they are built. One conversation at a time before I leave. Always remember this. Knowledge gives us power. Communication gives us confidence. Character gives us respect. Consistency gives us success. And self-belief gives us the courage to achieve our dreams. This is Sunil Kumar, founder and mentor of SJ Innovative Mentor Academy. Thank you for spending these precious moments with me. I'll meet you again tomorrow with another inspiring story, another English lesson, and I'll step towards becoming the best version of yourselves. Until then, learn with curiosity, speak with confidence, live with character, serve with kindness, and never stop becoming a better version of yourself. May God bless you. See you tomorrow.